Welcome to Legoland, Florida tips and tricks. We made mistakes so you won't have to. In this video, we will go over tips to help you have a successful trip to Legoland. Now without further ado, let's get into the tips.
Don't use a map like this lady's using. Use the Legoland app.
The app will give you interactive directions to each ride and will also give you the current wait times.
Legoland allows you to bring a small bag for drinks and snacks.
This will save you lots of money so you won't have to pay theme park prices. There's also plenty of places to refill your water bottles. In the middle of the day, the lines are the longest. If you don't feel like waiting, use this time to explore Miniland USA in the middle of the park. Miniland USA is where they have built entire cities and buildings out of Legos and is also under a canopy. You can also explore Cypress Gardens near the lake where they have a real-life banyan tree. The last 2 hours of the day, the wait times seem to go down. Use this time, even in the dark, to run and ride as many rides as you can.
Do not let your kids wait in line. Let them play with Legos.
Each ride has an area for kids to play Legos while their parents wait in line. If you're getting a 2-day pass, add on Peppa Pig theme park. We didn't think that Peppa Pig theme park was worth it just to go alone, but we thought it was definitely worth it to add it on to a 2-day Legoland pass. Thank you for watching our Legoland Florida tips and tricks. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you on the next adventure. Goodbye.